When we bounce, we make the letters dance. To do this, we pull the descenders of the letters down a little further. In other words, they deviate significantly from the baseline. The most important rule for bouncing is that the first and the last letters should be at the same height. The dancing letters will give the word a completely different dynamic. The second font I would like to introduce to you is the so-called extended script, which can be used as a contrast font in lettering. I would like to show it to you using the example of Happy Birthday. We write the word happy in block letters with the Pen 68 brush and put the word birthday in extended script over it. For this we use a felt tip pen like the Point Max. The letters are intentionally elongated, and again we need to make sure that they are evenly spaced. I would like to show you another trick that will add even more finesse to your lettering. For this you will need a thin paper tape. Once it is placed on the paper, you can write the main word over it with a brush pen. After that, peel off the tape, leaving an empty space. We can use this space for the extended script and write the second word inside, a simple and really cool special effect.